Guys, the helicopter is gone. Now it's just me and this island full of snakes. If I get out of here alive, it'll be a miracle. 72 hours on the world's most challenging place. If I can do this, and this is all my stuff. See? Just a small kit. Knife, rope, water purification tablets. That's it, nothing else. No tent, no food, nothing. I'll have to find water, find food, and most importantly, avoid these snakes are sitting between every rock. One mistake, and that's it. It's over. What was that? Snakes all around. Snake on the left, snake on the right. Can't even move. Just one mistake and it's over. Finally, I found a safe spot. I can build a shelter here, but first, I need to find water and food. I'll make a shelter here. I'll get protection between the rocks. The spot is good. Checking holes, hoping no snake is sitting there. But where will I get... Oh no, no snake. Man, night is coming and I have nothing. All the work wasted. I won't give up. Plan B, this is a natural cave between these rocks. I can make a shelter here. Let me check first. It's getting strong. I need to close the entrance of the shelter, otherwise it will blow everything away tonight and snakes might get in. The rocks will protect me from snakes. Not comfortable, but it's safe. Good for the first night. Finally, first, success. The water problem is solved. I found this small natural spring and the bottle is full with clear water. Oh, finally! Got water. Best feeling ever. Fresh, like life has come back. Oh no. Getting hungry. Energy's going down, man. Is there anything to eat here? Just snakes and rocks. Small red berries. Shiny, and the smell is also slightly sweet. Bitter taste. Maybe poisonous. Had to spit it out immediately. My throat is burning. I need water, otherwise it will be difficult. Come near the stream. If I'm lucky, I'll find food here. Snakes are all around, but I need food. I'm making this trap, an automatic fish catching system. 3 sticks, a little rope, and Jugad engineering is done. 3 out here. Still no luck. The fish trap came up empty again. I can't keep waiting. I need to move deeper, maybe find a better spot. I'm exhausted, but giving up isn't an option. Completely trapped. Snakes all around. Look, they're in every direction. This is their territory. I'm an intruder for them. I'm planning an escape route. Ahead is that narrow track, but a cobra is sitting near it. Timing needs... In this python-like viper, this is a staring contest. Who will move first? It's getting dark. Snakes are more active at night. I need to get down from here. I can't stay overnight here. Snakes are visible below. I've turned on the light, but every time, and I'm lying on my wooden stone bed. Jungle all around, complete darkness. Are you hearing these sounds? Snakes, insects, who knows what other animals. Friends, I can't sleep, man. Every sound seems like a snake. I can't sleep. Friends, I survived! The first night is over. Look, the sun is rising. Day 2 is beginning on Snake Island. Look at my condition. How much damage in just one night. See these cuts, these scratches, and all these mosquito bites? I feel like scratching, but I can't. Just one night. My throat is completely dry. I urgently need water. Nearly empty. I can barely move. All my joints are jammed. Water is almost finished. My mouth is dry. No proper sleep. My body's breaking down. My hands are shaking. My legs are numb. And these snakes are everywhere. My breathing is still heavy, but I have to remain hopeful. This terrain is incredibly challenging, and every step requires immense caution. Look, a python is sitting on the rock, just 2 steps away. Rocks everywhere. Thorns, snakes. This whole area is off limits. This is truly a death trap. One small mistake here means the end. Some strange berries I've found. I need energy, so I have to consider them, but I need to be careful. The taste is very bitter. I can tell just from the smell or a slight touch. It's too risky. I can't be sure if they... Those are staggering. Sweat isn't stopping. It feels like someone is twisting me from the inside. Stomach pain is coming. This is not a good sign. I feel like vomiting. It seems they were poisonous. Something is seriously wrong with me. I need medical help. I'm barely conscious. My body is shutting down. My hands are numb, but I have to keep myself awake with willpower. The storm has been going on for 6 hours. I'm exhausted. My body feels like it's shutting down. My hands are numb, but I have to keep myself awake with sheer will. The wind is still strong. The rain is falling intermittently, but I'm alive. Now it feels a little calm, but look, the jungle is completely scattered. Rain has started, I'm completely wet. The weather has become completely stormy. Rain is directly hitting my eyes. The wind is so strong, it's difficult. The storm has been going on for hours. I'm completely exhausted, but I'm still alive. I've also come out. The terrain is completely slippery. I had to quickly find shelter. The second night is about to begin, and I'm literally on the verge of breaking down. This poison is still burning in my arm. The storm has torn everything up. I don't understand why I took this challenge. second night is about to begin. The day was brutal with the storm. I am literally at my breaking point. Everything is soaked. I don't have a single dry piece of clothing. Everything is wet. Not a single piece of clothing is dry. I haven't eaten anything for 2 days. I'm gonna die here. I don't understand why I took this challenge.
The storm has been going on for hours. I'm completely exhausted, but I'm still alive.
This is perhaps my last update. Water is finished. I need to reach the rescue point. This is a make or break moment. Energy is draining fast, but I cannot stop. Rescue is coming soon. This impossible challenge to the very end. Now I just need to survive and get out of here. It's the end game of day 3. My body is tired, but I will not give up. I tested everything for 72 hours. My focus is still clear. I will get out of here. Focus. The reins. My mom and dad. Friends, you are watching, right? This is all for you. One sitting in front is the alpha cobra of this place. If I move an inch, it will directly attack. Helicopter's visible. This is my chance, but I can't signal. The snake will attack. The whole area is filled with snakes, and the signal's only catching up above. The helicopter is passing. This is the last chance. I have to take the risk. I'll wave one hand slowly, just millimeters to move. Otherwise, it will bite. Signal successful! Rescue time! And I'm activating every signal. Get ready! Signal active! Rescue time. The sun directly on the mirror. See this flash? This will go for miles. The phone's torch is also on. Battery is low, but let it run. We survived. The final night is complete. Rescue day! My friends, this was the most dangerous night. The helicopter's coming back. Rescue time. Are you hearing the wind? This is the same chopper that dropped me. Helicopter! Snake Island, goodbye! The helicopter is lifted off! The entire jungle is full of snakes behind me, and I'm up here! I survived!